There are many variations on letter matching games that you can create at home for your children to play. We will create a letter excavation station in this episode of Library Make. The identification of letters is an important part of a child's ability to read and write. Toy letters provide children a way to interact with the alphabet through hands-on play. They are able to feel the shape of the letter and can see how the letter B is different from the letter Y. What better way to play with letters than in a tray of flour? Let's get started.